update on my option trading strategy. So we'll start off with the first month of the year, which was January. Now, January was a losing month. Now, I don't know exactly how much I lost because I kind of messed up my tracking, but I'll show you on the app as well. But I just know it was roughly around 2K at the end of the month that I was down. And that was mainly because I just got completely greedy with the Bitcoin miners. The Bitcoin miners were giving great premium and they still are. But at that time, they had run a lot and I just got greedy. I didn't expect them to pull back so heavily, but they did. I should have expected it. And yeah, it cost me the month of January. Just got too greedy, should have been more patient and kind of held off until the end of January, beginning of February, and I would have done amazingly well. So I don't know exactly how much I was down, but it was down around 2K. But you can see they were giving absolutely crazy premium, like TeraWolf here. I ended up buying it at $3, and then I sold a cash secured put. No, sorry, I bought it at $2.75, and the premium on it was $2.50 for a covered call on a so $2.75, and the premium is 52 cents, which was crazy. So on a margin of 3K, I was gaining 500, 600 US dollars. And the strike price was at $3. So yeah, I picked up that, and I picked up a cash secured put there as well on TeraWolf. You can imagine a $2 stock, and it's going for 30 cents, 32 cents premium on a $2 stock, which is just some amazing premium. So that's why I really got into them. So currently I am holding TeraWolf, and it was the same for Sphere, but anyways, I basically bought at the top and they started to dump pretty hard after that. But I did pick up some good premium and I held the stock. So now and firstly, let me actually show you the app, what happened in January. That's kind of interesting. So let me open up the app here. So let's actually go to the 1 year mark. So as you can see, we're doing pretty well, and it's trading up. This is in British pounds, so you can convert it to USD. I think it's around 29K. So around 30% of our way there. But as you can see, there was this big dip here, right here. And let's just zoom in on that in the year-to-date gains. So this is basically January. The 2nd of January was doing pretty good. We were high off the gains of December. And as you can see, as January progressed, we dumped extremely hard. As you can see, I actually, at one point, like mid of January, I was down 5K. And I think that's around like, I don't know what, in USD, 7K or something. So yeah, I was down a lot. Basically, all of the gains that I made last year were evaporated in those few small days of January. But I held on, and as you can see right now, we are back to break even. Well, not break even, sorry. I mean, we're back to where we started, and slightly up at the end of December. So let's go on to February, back onto the spreadsheet. Yeah, so your February, you'll notice it's a lot cleaner. We only are currently holding 3 stocks, which is Riot, Marathon on TeraWolf. And these are basically the ones that were assigned to us in these cash secure puts here. I did sell Sphere in the end. I should have probably held on because it's basically back to where I bought it. But I did end up losing around 500 USD on that. So in February, we just basically have really the two stocks that we've been trading all year last year. I'm not sure, given how much they're running and their price, if I'll be able to keep doing this. That's why I kind of picked up TeraWolf, because I think this strategy works extremely well when stocks are under 10 US dollars. So when the stock price is under 10 US dollars, given that my account is small, it's really a great sweet spot where you can find some excellent premiums with like low risk. So yeah, again, the premiums are pretty good, 48 cents and 60 cents on these stocks. So a premium I collected in February was around 684 USD. And if these, what currently looks like they are going to be assigned, given that they're starting to run again, we still have like 2 weeks, 1 week and 2 weeks between them. But we'll net a profit of just capital gains will be 2,800, and then plus our total gains would actually be at 3,500. So that would be extremely good if that came to fruition in the end of February. Again, I would also not be disappointed if these did not get assigned away, because I'll be able to write covered calls on them next month. And we have Wolf, because as I mentioned, I think the sweet spot is that under $10 mark stock. $2 is amazing. And at the moment, it's starting to run up, but there's really, the premiums are not so great on them. I think, let me check if we have Yahoo opened. And Wolf, right? Not sure if it will show us. Yeah, I'll look at that. Pre-market up 7%. Yesterday up 18%. Man, these Bitcoin miners are freaking crazy. But yeah, anyways, I expect this when it does start to run higher, let's say it gets back to that $3 mark, that I'll be able to sell some very, very good covered calls. And for Wolf, I will take a slightly different strategy. I will definitely sell much, much higher out of the money. It will give me lesser premium, but I really want to hold this stock until it kind of runs up. And yeah. And also, let's look at, let's actually go back to Yahoo, just look at one of my favorite companies, which is, of course, CleanSpark. And CleanSpark is, look at this, 12% yesterday, already up 17% in the pre-market. And as you know, I've been making, I made initial videos about this and the Bitcoin miners like 2022 December. So I'm really happy with how this is progressing. It is volatile. I just like always, I'm just annoyed I didn't just put more capital into it. But yeah, going forward, I think I will actually be maybe, let's say the Marathon, etc. do get assigned away. I'll probably be really trying to focus on, yeah, one more note. I'm, sorry. One more note. I'm actually kind of disappointed I did not sell covered calls on this, because now it would have been amazing. You know, I was picking this up at $3, $4 mark. Having this now and selling these premiums on it would be amazing. Yeah, so maybe I'll try to look to pick that up. But I think I'll be actually moving off to basically offshore. So Rig did kind of jump up quite a bit yesterday at 5%, but generally it's been trading quite lower. So if these do get assigned to me, assigned away, and I have some capital left, I will be starting to look at deploying it into looking at some cash secure puts on Rig. But the only problem at the moment is that the Rig option market is, short-term option market really is not that great. At the moment, the market is closed, so we can't see the short-term like weekly price action, but you can see last something like 1 cent, 2 cents if we go out, like let's say March. Yeah, it's $6. You're only getting 10 cents, so the premium isn't great. Really, I want to at least get at least 30%, 30 cents premium. Yeah, so that's that. Progress is slow, but yeah, it's okay, you know. Might take quite a while to get to that 100K. Last year we did do 64%, trying to get higher this year. But yeah, let's see how it keeps going, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you.